Here are three things that you need to know to kick off your morning. An upbeat forecast boosting shares of memory chip giant Micron. It says sales could be as high as $4.1 billion in the fiscal fourth quarter. According to its CEO, the memory industry has passed its trough in revenue, though the company also warning of continued challenges in China, the world's second biggest economy, which effectively banned Micron in May, accounts for around 10% of its global sales annually. The other potential pain point is the PC market. The company isn't predicting a rapid return to growth this year. And investors are shrugging off the Fed and pushing stocks higher into the quarter end. Despite the central bank remaining in hawkish territory, the NASDAQ 100 headed for its best first half on record. Talk of an imminent earnings recession hasn't dampened appetite for tech just yet. The AI boom still propelling the likes of Nvidia, Microsoft, and Alphabet ever higher. Yesterday, Apple hit another record high and now sits on the cusp, on the precipice of a $3 trillion market valuation. And all clear. The Federal Reserve's annual stress tests of the nation's biggest banks concluded that they're all healthy enough to keep lending, even in the face of a severe economic shock. All 23 lenders tested passed the Fed, and recent events highlighted the need for humility when assessing large bank resilience. Now, the collapse of three banks earlier this year, they gave the results an extra significance. The evaluation looks to determine whether they need to hold more capital, and it does so by measuring current buffers against several adverse economic scenarios.